Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. CFW off to a fashionable start. Producers of Caribbean Fashion Week Pulse hosted their 40th anniversary launch last night at their Trafalgar Road headquarters. The stylish event was attended by the fashionably elite who gathered to extend their well wishes. Professor Carolyn Cooper is appreciative that CFW 2019 is a cultural exchange between Africa and the Caribbean through fashion.
CFW is really doing a wonderful job to fuse Africa and the Caribbean this year. And it's a wonderful way of celebrating the 40th anniversary of Pulse. It's gone global. And you know, Africa is a home of civilization. So when you're gone to Africa, you're gone to the root.
Pulse's Caribbean Fashion Week projected to invade North America and Europe. One of Nigeria's top fashion designers, Mia Atafo, was in attendance at the event and shares that he is happy to show his collection in Jamaica for the first time.
I'm super excited. It's my first time in the Caribbean, first time in Jamaica, and so first time doing anything here at all. So I'm excited to be here and obviously looking forward to the show, to the Fashion Week. So it's a big one for me, so I'm excited, yes.
Pulse CEO Kingsley Cooper is also excited that the Pulse brand is expanding globally.
We look at development from the perspective of fashion, modeling, finance through the Jamaica Stock Exchange listing, and real estate, and now in the hotel business. You know, so all of these things have happened over this time, and so you look at it in it holistically and feel a sense of satisfaction to know that we've been able to do all of that. And although, yes, we were the first ones to do many of those things, at the same time, we think of it more from the point of view of having been successful and being grateful for that success.
CFW 2019 will feature a host of events, including a reception at the Nigerian High Commission and a business conference. The fashion show gets underway this Saturday and Sunday at Villa Renai. Grammy Award-winning artist Sean Paul's Dirty Rock Productions has released its second rhythm project titled Callaloo Rhythm in collaboration with Money Matters Entertainment. The Callaloo Rhythm features 7 tracks from Dirty Rock's head honcho Sean Paul, the label's protege Cha-Ching, 90s dancehall heavyweights Spragga Benz and Delhi Ranks, Trelawney's very own Charlie Black, and newcomers Ras Ajay and Sato Bless. In a press release, Dirty Rock's label manager and CEO stated that the rhythm was first supposed to be named Trending, but there was already a rhythm released with the same name, so they went with Callaloo. After the first 2 tracks were laid, there was no stopping the other artist from coming on board.
Callaloo, Callaloo. Anyone me got the money that I follow you. I yesterday me get a pretty girl in Manalo. A first class flight to Melbourne.
You know, see the rasa. How about a dozen girl over Ken Card? Baby, why you making up your...
The rhythm is set to make waves in the musical space, and it follows the successes of the 2018 release of Dirty Rock's Gang Gang Rhythm. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.